Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Tonight I'm making chicken fricassee or fricassee de pollo allo cubano. So the ingredients seem like it's a lot because I do have a lot of ingredients here. So the reason why I have a lot is because I'm combining two recipes. I'm combining my mother's recipe and I'm combining my father's recipe. So I'm taking tips from him and I'm taking tips from her. So that's why it's a lot. Okay, so let's get started. So we're starting off, of course, with chicken legs. You can use chicken thighs if you want. And what I cut up here are I used half of an onion, half of a red pepper, half of a green pepper. I used 2 ajicitos, the little peppers right here. I'm using cilantro, minced garlic. I used 2 teaspoons. I used a 1/4 cup of tomato sauce. I'm using 1 tomato. I'm using 2 potatoes. And I also forgot to mention, I'm using 1 cup of white cooking wine, but you can use any kind of wine, any kind of drinking wine if you prefer. Clean your chicken very well with either vinegar, lime juice, or lemon juice. I'm going to marinate the chicken. You can use naranja agria, which is found in the store, or you can make your own. I'm using 1 cup of orange juice, and I'm using 1 cup of lime juice, or you can use lemon juice. So I'm going to first season up my chicken with some black pepper and some salt and a little garlic. Use some orange juice. I'm going to pour that directly over the chicken, and I'm going to pour the lime juice directly over the chicken. Okay, so I'm going to add some onions to this, and I'm going to let that sit. I'm going to add a little oregano, and I'm going to mix all this together. I'm going to add a little cumin. And this is just going to sit in the refrigerator for about an hour and marinate. And I'm going to squeeze a little more lime juice over this. Okay, so I'm just basically putting enough oil in the pan so that I can start frying up my my vegetables. Okay, so I'm adding all my vegetables except for the garlic. We'll leave that for last. I'm adding a little more peppers to the pot just to give it color. Now I'm adding a 1/4 cup of tomato paste. Now I'm going to add the minced garlic. Now we're going to add the spices. I'm going to add the bouillon cubes. Break that up into little pieces. Going to add the baby. And add spices. Okay, so now that the vegetables are cooked down, I'm going to add the olives. I'm going to add in the chicken. So I'm just basically coating the chicken with all the deliciousness here. Now, I'm going to add the wine in. And what I'm about to do is now, you can cook this in pot like it is. I would cook it in a pot the way it is now. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in a pressure cooker because it's quicker and I get out the kitchen a lot faster. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer this into the pressure cooker. But before I do that, I'm just going to add the wine in it and the water. So I'm adding 1 cup of white cooking wine, and I'm going to add another 2 cups of water. And I'm also adding some tomatoes. I'm going to throw that in here. I'm just going to push that down like that. And already it smells delicious, and I haven't even finished cooking it. So I'm just making some plantains to go with that, and then we'll be complete. Now I'm gonna just wash my rice and rinse it a couple of times, and then I'm gonna start cooking the rice. I'm making 2 cups of rice tonight, so I'm adding 2 cups of water to the rice, and I'm adding some olive oil and a little salt. Okay, so this pressure cooker is almost finished releasing the steam. So let's see if it's safe enough to open this. Okay, let's see. Yes, it is. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it's hot. Oh, that looks so delicious. Okay, so now I just gotta see if the chicken is... No, the chicken needs to go for about, I'm gonna say, oh, it is ready. Yes, it is. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back inside the pot. Oh. Okay, so at this point, what I'm going to do is, being that the chicken is ready, I'm going to add my potatoes. And I'm going to cook that for about 10 more minutes. But already it is smelling so delicious. Alright, so I'm going to put the top back on, and I will be back in a few minutes. So let's check the chicken. Oh, that looks delicious. That looks delicious. Okay. Wow, look at the potatoes and everything. Nice, and the chicken is nice and soft, and my potatoes are, let's see if they're ready. Yes, they are. They're ready. Okay, so let's just see what this tastes like. I can't use that spoon, so I'm gonna use another spoon. Okay, so let's just see what this tastes like. Oh, this is freaking delicious. Okay, I can't wait. Let me get ready to serve this. So my rice is ready. It's nice and fluffy. Okay, so now we're going to put some potatoes on the side. I'm going to get some chicken. Let's get some olives. There. Well guys, thank you for taking the time out to watch this channel. It was my pleasure teaching you how to make my parents' chicken fricassee. Well, until next time, I'll see you guys later. Thank you. Have a good night. God bless. Bye-bye.